Mechanics like this mobile maintenance app because it helps manage workflow by offering instructions, a checklist, and a simple means to record the work being done, all without having to use paper or walk back and forth to a kiosk.
One of the first things that happens is when the mechanic, comes in at the beginning of the shift. They can pick up, either any of the available tablets or a smartphone, or they can use their own if they're so authorized. And the first thing they do when they log in is look at all the jobs that have been assigned to them, or the set of jobs from which they can pick the first one and start work. So that's the first thing. So they know what needs to be done when they come in at the beginning of the shift. More important than this is if they are doing a 20,000-mile inspection or a PM job, or they're doing a brake replacement, not only it pulls up the work order, it actually pulls up the sort of work instructions, the checklist, the specific steps that they need to follow as they go through this job. And they are able to capture, photographs before and after, for example. They're able to record parts consumed, time taken, and even to the extent of specific additional time taken, because while we were doing this, we also found this other issue and we took care of it because we're anywhere there. All of this information then gets updated to the backend system automatically. And between that update and the work being performed, it can also go to the supervisor for review, for approvals. It can automatically update, parts requested. It can automatically deduct that from the inventory and so on. So the whole idea is that we're trying to eliminate the use of clipboards and sheets of paper, or the mechanics walking back and forth between a kiosk, a terminal, and that point of work. The last bit is we allow them to record comments using speech to text, so they don't really have to, fat finger their way. If they're like me, they probably have difficulty doing that. But they are able to actually record those comments. The great byproduct to all of this, there is a lot of information that is captured. You are enriching the information that is captured out in the field, and you don't lose that simply because people don't want to write or don't want to type stuff there.